always fills me. I focused on myself and finally found my light. I don't depend on anyone else. My heart knows where it's going. I focused on myself and life smiled again. I learned to truly love myself, and my soul shines with freedom. I listen to my voice, the one I ignored. I discovered